WhatsApp Communities is one of the biggest feature updates launched by WhatsApp this year in 2022. You guys might have heard about WhatsApp Communities by now. You guys might have seen it on your phones or might have received a notification by WhatsApp that WhatsApp Communities is here. A lot of you guys are wondering what is Communities and how do you use it? What are the advantages of having communities on our WhatsApp? I'm going to answer these questions, and I'll also go ahead and show you how to create communities and who can take advantage of these. To start with, this is not going to help and benefit everyone. This is going to benefit certain types of people. So for example, if you're a school teacher, if you are someone who has a lot of people in their organization, you're running a big organization, all of those people are rolling up to you, you can use WhatsApp Communities. You can send one message to up to 22,000 people using WhatsApp Communities. You guys might ask, what is the difference between WhatsApp groups and WhatsApp communities then? Because groups do the same thing. You can add different people and then you can send that message, goes to all the people that are added to the group. You guys might know that when WhatsApp introduced WhatsApp groups, there was a limit of people that you could add into a group. So to start with, it was 256 people, then it was increased to 512, and then later on it was further increased to 1024 people. So you could add 1024 people in a group. What communities does is you can create a community and add multiple groups within that community. Let's say you create a community and you add 3 different groups that had 1024 people. So 1024 multiplied by 3, all of those people can be added into that community. When I'll go ahead and show you on my phone when we create the community and then when we add different groups inside that community, I'll go ahead and show you how you can create your own community, add different groups into that community, and when you send one message, that message can go to all of the groups that are added within that community. So all the members that are added into those groups, and then those groups become a part of the community, this message goes to every member of that group that's added within the community. So that's how big this actually is. Again, as I said, if you're someone who's using WhatsApp for just personal use, like maybe sending direct messages, this might not be very beneficial for you. Or even if you have family groups, this might not be very beneficial for you. But for people who are running their businesses through WhatsApp, for people who are running organizations through WhatsApp or using it, I think this feature is going to be a game changer for all of them. And if you want to try it for fun, obviously you can. Like if you have 2 to 3 family groups, you can add those groups into the community, and then you guys can start communicating. Without wasting any more time, let me quickly go ahead and show you guys how to create communities and how to add groups within the communities. So on the phone screen, I'm using an iPhone, so as I said in the beginning of the video, I have the communities option on the bottom of my screen. But if you're using an Android and watching this video, this option should be on the top left corner of your screen. Right here, I'll show you a picture of that. So click on communities. Now it's giving me an option to start a community. Click start a community and first choose a community name. I'm going to choose just a random name, and you can add a description. So whatever type of that community is, like the types of groups that you're adding, if it's a schools community, you can add a description according to that. If it's a work related community, you can add a description according to that. So after you're done, click next. And then it's giving you a couple of options on the top of the screen. First is creating a new group and then adding an existing group. So you can create a new group, add members, like add up to, as I said, 22,000 people. You can do that, or you can add existing groups within the community. So I'm going to add a couple of existing groups that I just made for the purpose of this video. So I've added group test 1 and group test 2. These are 2 groups that I've added, and I'll click add on the top right corner. And as soon as I clicked add, you guys can see that it says Safir test and the community group is already there existing. And then the groups that are added within the community are showing up on the bottom of the screen. I'll click create on the top right corner. And you guys can see as soon as I clicked create, now it says welcome to a community, Safir test, that's the name of the community. As a member, you can see and join groups in this community and stay updated with admin announcements. Now I'll click view community. As soon as I clicked view community, this is the main interface. This is the main screen. By the way, one important thing to mention here is that if you're adding, let's say 3 to 4 groups and you're creating a community, as soon as you create a community, a notification will be sent out to all the members that were added into those groups. So all of them are going to receive a notification and they'll know that they've been added to a community, and they have the option to exit community or leave community or stay within the community. So they have that option. Even after initiating and creating the community, I can keep adding groups. You guys can see that I have the option to add more groups to this community, so I can do that later on as well, and I can keep expanding my community. Now, how do you send one message to all the members within the community? So I'll click Saphir Test, which is the community that I created, and then I would type a message. So let's say I type hi, and I send it. Now this message actually went to all the participants that were in the community in all of those groups. Click on the community on the top of your screen, scroll down, and you guys can see I have the option to clear chat, I have the option to exit group, and I have the option to export chat and all the rest of the options that are already there. Now I'll go back and I have 3 more options on the bottom of the screen. So 1 is exit community, 2 is report community, and 3 is deactivate community. On the top right corner, we have the edit option. Let's click on that. And you guys can see I can edit and change the name and change the description afterwards as well. And I can save it and it'll save. I can manage groups from within the community. So I can create a group, add a group, or remove a group. I can do that afterwards as well. And I do have a separate options to view members as well. So if I click view members, it shows me all the members within the community, not the groups, but the community. And also I have the option to create an invite link, invite to community via a link. I can create a QR code. I can copy the link and share it in different groups or send it in direct messages. I can share the link via email, via WhatsApp, Facebook, different social media platforms. That's how you promote your community that you create. So as I said, a great feature, very helpful for a lot of people. This is going to make lives easier for a lot of them. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. I'll try to answer as per my knowledge. Thank you for watching the video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.